How much time does your team spend each day creating multiple NC programs for your CNC cutting system? With PROfirst CAM Pro, that workload becomes remarkably simple and impressively fast. Our job overview gives you a clear, structured display of all orders, neatly sorted by job number and date. Select the jobs you want, choose the appropriate CNC cutting machine from the machine database, and pick your available remnants and standard sheets from the material database. Then, with a single click, the automatic nesting begins. PROfirst CAM Pro optimizes your layout step by step. Each calculation improves material utilization until the most cost-effective nesting has been achieved for every sheet thickness. Once nesting is complete, PROfirst CAM Pro automatically applies your stored technology settings. Hazardous internal contours are safely destroyed to prevent collisions, clearly visible on the highlighted components. Next, the software generates the cutting path fully automatically. Red markers indicate precisely placed microjoints on critical contours, ensuring parts remain stable and do not tip during cutting. Selected components can be processed using fly-cut technology. The integrated video demonstrates how this process runs seamlessly on a laser system. A single click on the green tick is all it takes for PROfirst to instantly create all NC programs and save them directly in the directory your machine. Your production documentation for the workshop can be printed immediately or saved as a PDF. And if changes are needed later, no problem. Existing programs can be reloaded and edited without starting from scratch. In this example, we add automatic part marking of the part names, applied to all selected components. The cutting path updates automatically, and the new NC programs are generated with one click. Existing NC files are replaced automatically. Do you want to see PROfirst CAM Pro in action? Get in touch with us. We would be delighted to show you in a personal live demonstration how PROfirst CAM accelerates your programming, reduces material consumption, and makes your entire production process more efficient.